In a mystical land lived a kind-hearted dragon named Dizzy. Unlike other dragons, Dizzy had a peculiar problem. Whenever he sneezed, his flames went wild. Villagers were scared of Dizzy's sneezes, causing chaos. Dizzy felt sad and isolated. One day, a clever young girl named Lily visited the village. She observed Dizzy's plight and decided to help. She researched and concocted a special herbal remedy that calmed Dizzy's flames. Grateful for her kindness, Dizzy realized that true friends accepted him despite his sneezes. And so, a unique friendship between a sneezing dragon and a resourceful girl blossomed, teaching everyone that compassion and understanding could overcome any challenge.